Assalamu alaikum junior 4. I hope you all are doing well inshallah. Students, today we have to do the grammar work. So I want you to open your grammar books. That is page number 44 and our topic is adjectives and their kinds. Unit number 10. So let's get started. We will do exercise F today, that is pick out the proper adjectives in each sentence and write in the blank. You can see the blanks aside, so what you need to do that pick out the proper adjectives and write them on the blank. First one is, I will give you only the answers. Rest of the sentences you will read by yourselves. So the first answer is Thai cuisine. Second is Arabian people. Third is British English. Fourth is Chinese dish. Fifth is Asian elephants, African elephants. Sixth, Japanese firm. Eighth, seventh, American English, and eighth, Swiss watches. As you have learned before that these adjectives are the proper adjectives. You have read about the proper nouns, and here you can see all these name of countries or the people living in the countries or the famous books or the famous things. They are written with capital letter and they are called proper adjectives. Now we will do G exercise on the same page, that is page number 44. Pick out the interrogative adjectives in each sentence and write in the blanks. As you know, the interrogative adjectives, interrogative means question करना, और आपने पढ़ा ये पीछे मैंने आपको explain भी किया था in your previous lesson that there are 4 main interrogative words which are which, what, whose. These are the 3 main questioning words, so we can use them often. First one is which flight did you come by? So the interrogative adjective in this sentence is which. Second, what kind of man are you? Interrogative adjective what. Whose pocket has been picked? Picked का मतलब होता है जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं जेब कतरी जाना या पॉकेट मारी जाना, यानी पॉकेट में से वॉलेट का निकल जाना या किसी एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ वैल्यूएबल चीज़ का निकल जाना, that is called picked. Whose pocket has been picked? The interrogative adjective is whose. Which movie are you going to see tonight? Interrogative adjective is which. Now we will do exercise H. Pick out the adjective in each sentence, write it in the blank and name its kind as well. So you have to pick out the adjectives and have to write its kind. Number 1 is his wife is very faithful. So which one is the adjective? That is faithful. And this is adjective of quality. The rose is a beautiful flower. Beautiful, quality. What type of food do you like? What? Interrogative. Socrates was a great philosopher. Great, quality. The Chinese alphabet has hundreds of letters. Chinese, proper adjective. The blind beggar stumbled and fell over. Stumble mean ladkhrana. The blind beggar stumbled and fell over. Adjective is blind beggar, and it's a quality. William Shakespeare wrote many dramas. That is William Shakespeare, and this is proper adjective. Which dish do you like best? Which? Interrogative adjective. Now we will do some exercises on page number 45. The first one is use the following adjectives in sentences. You have to form the sentences on your own, but generally I will tell you the sentences. Try to make or try to form the sentences of your own if it is easy for you. First one is Australian. Australian kangaroos are famous. Number 2, patient. The patient needs a doctor. Number 3, charming. Sarah is a charming girl. Number 5, cheerful. Ali is a cheerful baby. Number 5, which. Which country is your favorite, or in which country do you live? Number 6, what. What is the time now? Or what is your favorite food? Number 7, Japanese. Japanese people are hard working. Number 8, English. English is not an easy subject, or English is my favorite subject. Now we will do J exercise. Put a suitable adjective in each blank. The dash mother was waiting for her son. The worried mother or the sad mother. Number 2, Jennifer was a lady of dash beauty. Jennifer was the lady of inborn beauty. Number 3, the dash tales is a fine book of stories. The 40 Tales is a fine book of stories. 40 Tales जो है, that is the name of the book. Number 4, our soldiers are the dash soldiers indeed, brave soldiers indeed. Number 5, the princess fell in love with a dash young man, with a poor young man. Number 6, this shopkeeper is in fact very dash, in fact very honest. Number 7, pink and blue color are both her ribbons. Number 8, which shoes do you like, black or brown? Number 9, our country has produced very intelligent women as well. Now we will do K exercise, that pick out different adjectives used in this passage and write them in the blanks. I have taken out the adjectives, different adjectives, and they are Jesus Christ, Christmas, Christmas Eve, illuminated Christmas tree, Santa Claus, or special dishes. There are 3 different kinds. First ones are adjective of quality, then proper adjectives, then interrogative adjectives. Adjective of quality shows the qualities of the things, or it could be the people's qualities, or it could be the colors and the sizes and the weights of things. Then there are proper adjectives. They state the proper nouns, the names or specialities. And then there is interrogative, which is the questioning words. So we have finished our grammar work today. From tomorrow we will start our September assignment, but before that I want to advise you that do learn your August assignments and get ready for your test. We are handing over the test with September assignments, so those who haven't received the test yet, please do come to school and receive your tests. And another thing is that You have to submit the test by 15th September. The late test will be deducted 5 marks. They will get -5. So be quick, get your assignments from school and submit them on time. And this is all for today. Till we meet next time, take care and Allah Hafiz.